On any machine, maintenance is important. Today we're going to walk you through some of the routine maintenance procedures for your ZR5-1200 self-propelled baler. First, we're going to cover routine maintenance items that you want to perform before each use of baling. The first would be to check your hydraulic oil level. Here are the sight glass on the side of your hydraulic tank. And you also want to check hydraulic hoses for any wear or damage and repair as necessary. Next, we're going to check for misfed net wrap. In order to do this, you need to open the tailgate and relieve the belt tension. First, you're going to start the machine and open the tailgate fully. Then you're going to insert the belt tension stop and then get back in the machine, start the machine, and lower the tailgate slightly. Once you've relieved your belt tension, go ahead and lock your tailgate and inspect the rollers for any misfed net wrap, as well as the pickup. A few other items you want to check daily is the coolant level, located here, as well as the engine air filter. With the engine air filter, you never want to remove and blow out this filter. You simply watch the minder. If the minder turns red, you change the filter. You'll also want to check the engine oil level daily. Now let's talk about maintenance that you want to do after each day of baling. A lot of the maintenance items after a day of baling are done easier by unloading the bale chamber out of the machine, which only takes a matter of minutes. Once you have the bale chamber unloaded out of the machine, you want to blow the machine off using compressed air. Then lubricate your chains and grease any zerks that are not included in your auto greasing kit. You also want to inspect your pickup teeth and stripper bands for any damage or missing teeth. Now let's talk through some maintenance items you want to perform every 50 hours or about every week, depending on how much you're baling. The first would be to check the cabin air filter located here. You access it by removing these two screws. Once you have your compartment open, you can remove each filter and tap them out or vacuum them if necessary, or replace them if needed. The second item you should check every 50 hours would be your tires and rims. The correct pressure should be 20 psi for your front tires and 29 psi for your rear tires. You may also want to torque your wheel lug bolts at this time. The front wheel lugs should be torqued to 125 foot-pounds and the rear to 775 foot-pounds. Finally, every 500 to 1,000 bales, you'll need to check your belts and lacings. This can be done after reconnecting your bale chamber to your power unit after your daily inspection and the belt tension is relieved. This illustration shows you the top two pins that are new. The bottom pin has a segmented appearance, which means it needs to be replaced. A few final things that an operator should check and replace as necessary are pickup teeth, chains. A chain is considered worn out if it's 3% longer than when new or if it's no longer properly meshing with your sprockets. Lights, tailgate latch, and your net wrap knife. For all other engine and maintenance over 50 hours, please refer to your engine maintenance manual as well as your engine operator and maintenance manual, or consult your Vermeer dealer for more details.